Hello, I am Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the 1-minute diarrhea sound effect from _and_point. It's from a video called Revenge Day. Vertical bracket JACHA fart vertical bracket ART2 vertical bracket don't watch if you don't like it. It was uploaded 2 years ago on October 23, 2022. The duration of the sound effect is 0:24 to 1:26. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. This sound is only used when I have very bad explosive diarrhea. That should be painful. Ugh, my stomach hurts. I think I need the toilet. Ouch. I have to test _and_point S diarrhea sound effect to see how it sounds. Ow, that was painful. By the way, this is how the diarrhea sound effect sounds like. Remember kids, when your tummy hurts or when you eat too much food or drink, just use this sound effect. It starts at 0:24 and ends at 1:26. Make sure you remove the lo-fi music at the beginning and end, okay?